In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 301 redirects in Rank Math. If you're updating URLs, retiring pages, or consolidating content, a 301 redirect is the cleanest way to guide visitors and search engines from an old address to a new, permanent one. It protects your SEO equity, prevents 404 errors, and keeps your user experience smooth. Start by opening your browser and heading to rankmath.com so you're working with the official tools. From there, make sure you have Rank Math connected to your WordPress site, then go into your WordPress dashboard and open the Rank Math SEO panel. Inside Rank Math, look for the redirections area. This is your central place to manage how traffic is rerouted across your site. Choose Add New to create a fresh redirect entry. You'll be presented with fields to define where you want traffic to go. Type your destination URL carefully. This is the final page where you want users to land, so include the full address with HTTPS and double check for typos. Aim to point to the most relevant live page that answers the original intent. Avoid redirecting to pages that already redirect again, because chains slow things down and can dilute signals. Consistency matters too. Decide whether your site uses a trailing slash and keep it uniform. Next, set the redirection type to 301 permanent move. This tells browsers and search engines that the change is final, helping transfer ranking signals from the old address to the new one. While there are other types like 302 for temporary changes, 301 is the right choice for permanent URL updates and site restructures. If you want the redirect to automatically go live at a specific time, choose scheduled activation and select the date and time. This is great for launches, migrations, or timed content changes. Be mindful of your site's time zone settings so the switch happens exactly when you expect. Similarly, if the redirect should only run for a limited period, set scheduled deactivation. This is useful for short-term campaigns or seasonal pages where you'll later restore the original path. Once everything looks good, click Add Redirection to save it. After saving, it's a smart practice to test the old URL in a fresh browser tab or an incognito window to confirm it lands on the correct destination. If you're using caching, clear your site, server, or CDN cache to see the change immediately. Keep an eye out for loops and make sure you're not creating unnecessary hops. That's it. Your 301 is live and working.